Good morning, welcome to day 16 of Morning Yoga Challenge. Let's begin our practice in Child's Pose today. Take a moment to find position that feels comfortable in your body. And when you find it, take a couple deep breaths to check in with your body. Notice how you feel this morning. Is there any parts of the body that feel tense or tight? Simply notice how you feel without judging the sensations, marking them as good or bad. Slowly make your way up into downward facing dog. You can stay still here or move a little, pedal out your feet. Press down through your hands, lift your hips up and back, lengthening the spine. Inhale deeply into your belly, chest, back and sides of the body. And exhale fully through the nose. Bring your right foot forward to the outside of your right hand, full lizard. Drop your left knee down. Gently push your hips down towards the mat. Find the stretch on your hips. You can stay up on your hands. Walk them forward to increase the stretch, or even lower down to your elbows. Just one more breath in lizard. Then tuck your back toes under, lift the knee and step your right foot back into downward facing dog. Just to switch sides, bring your left foot forward, hands on the inside of front foot, back knee down on the mat, and find what feels nice on this side, whether it's the same or a little different. Stay up on your hands, walk them forward or lower down to the elbows. Taking a couple deep breaths in and out through the nose. Slowly make your way back into downward facing dog. Then step your right foot between your hands, closer to your right hand so that the feet are around hip distance apart. You can keep your back knee down or keep it lifted for a bit more intensity in this low lunge variation. If your knee is lifted, keep your back leg really active. Press your left heel back and down towards the mat. Keep your left hand on the mat, reach your right arm up for a twist, and keep pressing down through this left hand, pressing the floor away, staying active in your left shoulder. Release your right hand down to the mat and step back to downward facing dog. Same on the other side. Bring your left foot between your hands and either lower your knee down or keep it lifted. Pressing your right heel back and down towards the mat. With your next inhale, lift your left arm up for a quick twist. Press your right hand down into the mat. And as you exhale, lower your left hand down, step back to downward facing dog. Take a breath here, lift your sit bones high to the sky, push your heels down towards the mat, and then walk your feet forward towards your hands. For a standing forward bend, keep a soft bend in your knees, release your upper body down. Stay still or sway the body side to side a few times. Take a breath through the nose and exhale through the mouth, releasing the tension from the body. Slowly roll your spine up to standing. For chair pose, feet can stay hip distance or together. Bend the knees, sit back into imaginary chair and bring your palms to your heart. Try to shift weight into your heels. Notice your legs are really working in this pose. Keep your knees bent, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend down, forward bend. Step your left foot to the back of the mat for high lunge and raise up to standing. Reach your arms up to the sky, palms facing each other. One more inhale, reach up through your hands. Exhale, hands down, frame your front foot and step your left foot next to your right. Bring your right foot back into high lunge, raise up, reach arms up, brace here. Take one more big inhale. And exhale, step your right foot forward into standing forward bend. Take one more breath through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And walk your feet back into downward facing dog. Press the floor away with your hands. Lift your hips up. Gently push the heels down. Take one more breath through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And lower your knees down. Bring your legs in front of you. Cross one shin in front of the other, doesn't matter which one you start with. Flex your feet. Hands on the knees. Inhale, lift your chest up, lengthen your spine. And exhale, walk your hands forward. Lower chest towards the shins. Take a couple breaths, stretching the hips and lower back here. You can keep your head lifted or let it hang and just round the upper back. Come back up to seated and switch the cross of your legs. Bring your shins parallel to each other. With inhale, lengthen your spine. With exhale, lean forward. Find what feels nice on this side. And with each breath, try to relax your body more towards the floor. Feel free to add any movement, maybe sway the upper body side to side, shake your head, anything that feels nice. Walk your hands back, find a comfortable cross-legged seat for one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring palms to your heart. This was day 16. I hope you enjoyed your practice today, and see you tomorrow for day 17. Have a great day. Bye!